Your iPhone is exposing you. Fix this Safari hidden settings. Not doubt, Safari is an inbuilt browser on iPhone, and most users of iPhone enjoy using Safari. But you are highly exposed if you do not set up these settings I want to reveal in this video. The last setting must be the one you must set, so stay around as we watch this till the end. If you use your Safari to browse, then there are some settings you need to put in place. This will help your device to be in safe place, thereby preventing Safari or Apple to access your privacy and send them to unnecessary companies or websites. So go ahead and tap on settings, scroll up until you get to the app, tap on it. In the search section, type in Safari, tap on Safari. Once you tap on Safari, there are some things you need to do here in this process. The first thing you have to do is to go to the search section. Search engine suggestion is toggled off. If you toggle it on, each time you access the browser, it normally suggests random thing that's similar to what you've searched before, and this might compromise your activities on this app. Make sure that search engine suggestion is toggle off or turned off. The next one is Safari suggestion. Make sure that Safari suggestion is also turned off. This will prevent Safari from suggesting something to you while you are using the particular inbuilt browser on iPhone. The last thing you have to do under this session is quick website search. Tap on it. Once you are under this, make sure you toggle off this button. This will prevent Safari to give you quick website you have been visited on this platform. Now that I've turned this off or you've adjusted these settings, then you are moving ahead. The next one is to scroll to history and website data on your settings. So let's locate that button, history and website data. Now you can have it here. The first thing you have to do here is to go and clear button, that is clear history and website data. Tap on this button. Once tap on this button, make sure that you clear the history, most especially if you buy a used iPhone. Tap on clear to clear the history and website data. Come back to this place and do this time to time. Now let's move to the next section, which is advanced section. Tap on advanced. Once tap on advanced, then it comes out like this. There are some things you need to do here. The first thing here is to be sure that you block all cookies. Very important. You can see this one is blocked. Make sure you tap on it and you block all cookies on this part of the setting. This will prevent your iPhone from keeping some irrelevant data. Another thing you need to do under these advanced settings is to tap on website data. Tap on it. Once tap on website data, make sure that all the data here is cleared and do this time to time. Once you've done this, then you are good to go. Now let's scroll up a bit, and under this we're going to talk about the camera, the microphone, the location and radar. So let's start from the camera. Make sure that your camera is under ask. What this does is that each time you visit a website on Safari and that website is about to use your camera, you will be asked, and then you give permission, because if you do not turn on this or you make it allow, the camera will access your information without permission. So make sure that this button is set to ask. Then under microphone, tap on it and select ask as well. Then under location, tap on it and select ask, because if you allow the location, your location will be exposed on this website or this browser, and which is a very bad idea. So make sure that all options here are set to ask. Now the next thing you have to do is to scroll to general. Under general, there is a particular thing I want to share with you here. So here is general. Under general, set download button. You have to tap on this button. Now make sure that you select your iPhone, not on iCloud. If you select iCloud and you mistakenly download a phishing information on iCloud, then your information is not secure any longer. But if you do that on your iPhone, then at least you are a bit secure, because not all your information is accessed using the phishing information you downloaded. So always download to your device, then tap on this one, remove data download list items. Tap on it and make it once a day. Make sure you come back to this place and remove downloaded thing from your device once a day. Now let's go and do another one under close tab. Now under close tab, tap on close tab, then make sure you tap on one, that is after 1 day. It means if you open multiple tabs on your Safari browser, after 1 day the tab will be deleted, then you have to start again. This gives your phone enough RAM to breathe, thereby performing very well. It also reduce the amount of battery consumption on your device. So always try and put on all these settings all the time. The next thing you have to do is to go to the extension section and tap on it and fix some important settings here. Now where you have some extension on my device, make sure that you give allow to the extension you are trusted. Like the ChatGPT here, guys, you can see I give allow to ChatGPT because I trusted ChatGPT. And this one, backstage deal, you see, is a game that I don't want to use, and you see that I do not give a permission to that extension. So make sure that you come to the extension section and give permission. The most important part of this setting is under the privacy and security. So when you open your device and you come to the privacy and security, the first thing you have to toggle off here is cross-site tracking. Make sure you toggle this button off. What that button does is that once you are on, then you'll not be able to receive unnecessary ads from Google or from WhatsApp, from Instagram, from Facebook, because if you allow cross-site tracking, you likely see information from this site that app that you have been using. So always make sure that you toggle it off. The next one is that hide your IP address. Yes, make sure that it's toggle off. You must always hide your IP address. Once you hide your IP address, everything you do on this platform is hidden. Your IP address is hidden, your location is hidden. So Apple will not share your IP address, will not share your location with anyone. Another thing you have to do is that make sure that fraudulent website is turned on. If you visit a website that is fraudulent or that mimic an original website, then you get information that the website you are visiting is a wrong website. Then you'll be able to take a proper decision. So if you use Safari very well on your iPhone and you've not put on all these important settings I've provided in this video, guys, you might run to a problem. Go ahead now and fix your Safari on your iPhone with all the settings, thereby secure everything you are doing on your iPhone on this Safari. If you get all these tips and if you're not subscribed, just few seconds, tap and subscribe for more updates like this.